action.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do honk honk and do in my deal Tim's truck. Ready?
Yes, sir. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
You good?
I'm good.
All right. Let me get on the other side, okay? All right, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! All right, we got to scoot you up a little, okay? Yes, sir. Watch your feet. Yep. Dark black. It looks dark black.
Looks the same.
Yep. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go! 1, 2, 3. Sweet! How many more times? How many times was that?
3.
How many more times? How many more times do you want to do it? 3 more times?
3 more times.
Let's do 3 more times to make it 6, okay? 1, 2, 1 more, 3. All right, high five. All right, ready to turn it off?
1, 2, 3.
All right, good job, Ezra.
I'm driving.
Get it, guy, get it. There you go.
I'm driving
You
your
are
truck.
driving. You're supposed to do that when it's on.
I'm driving your
Yes,
truck.
sir. Oh man, look at you go. I'm gonna go on the other side, okay?